Hey guys, Jason here with Carnage Diagnostics, and today we have a pretty quick one. This car was in for blind spot reprogram and that mirror indicator being on all the time. So while testing it, I noticed if you unhook this, buzzer, the light goes out, and you plug it in and you can hear an audible noise. You hear that? So I pulled up the wire diagram for it, and I was going through it, and I found this QN1, which is the same QN1 for the can lines run through for the blind spot. And then I was trying to find it. QN1, it's all the way over here on this side, but my issue's on that side of the car. What I found out is this car's from the body shop, and this harness here that runs to this, well, this is flipped backwards. It's supposed to be facing that way. So this harness here is supposed to go on this side, and this harness here with this is supposed to be on this side. They just switched the harness. So I swapped the harness back, and I now have CAN communication with the modules, and I have no more issues with this light. All the code's cleared, everything's good. So if you guys are doing body work, make sure you put these on the right side, because you can mix them up.